Yeah. Yeah. Die? No, you're clear. Who's that? Left in there. Connor going across. Hey, sign there! Stop her mom! Go, me, sign! Alright, clear, go. Whoa! There! Magnifier in here. No, no one's there. Are they? Where else is he? Right, flank them. Cover here, cover guns down. Red tape. Steven, come here, shotgun in there. Just behind that curtain. Hey! Dead mom! Dead mom! Wait, watch. Coming up! Danny's down there, just watch. Just watch, fine. Right, mate. Hey, where's that? Hey! Fuckers! Dead man! Dead man coming out! Try and get through that way and you're good. If you go through the middle this side, you'll get through that side. No one will. They're off the stairs, they have that way covered. You need to go through the middle here. Go there, go this way. Good turn.
Did you take your hat there? Did you take your hat there in the woodland?
Fuck it! Go, go, go.
Wait, who's going there?
Yo!
I need to know where.
Jordan! There's anyone in there?
There's not armbands in the hallway.
No, that means shit. Boys, come through that way. You're coming, you see them,
Alright, my gun's down.
Alright. Me and Beth. Oh no, it's just through there, look, you can see him.
Right behind the cover.
Hey!